guys, welcome back to my channel. So I am Bhavesh. So today's video I will tell you that how can you make your phone look like iOS. That iPhone have all features will be in your Android and every phone. So how to do that? Before going to my mobile screen, subscribe to my channel, like my video and comment and share. So how can we make our phone like iPhone? So many comments are there. So let's start the video and you are watching Technical Mastermind. So you will go to your mobile screen and go to Play Store and search '15. You will download launcher iOS 15. I have downloaded. I have installed it. So I will go to that app. So this is the app. I will open it. With the three apps, you can make your phone look like iOS. So you will click on lock screen. Okay. So download it. Then go to control center. Add is coming. Wait. Then you will download control center. After that, when you will come on your home, here it will ask one UI home and iOS 15 launcher. You will click on it and always. So got it. So see, it's like iPhone. I think you can see. See, it's same like iPhone. Same like iPhone display. Now wait to install lock feature. Let it installed. So this is our Play Store. Let's see lock iOS. So it's downloaded. Open it. Hello. Then you will click on here. Okay. So from go here, then give the permission to iOS launcher. Hello. Then lock screen. Then go back. Then it's now on. So you can see it's now on. Now are only assistive. I will now control center is here. We will click on control center. So here give the permission. So here assistive touch is, if you want to download assistive touch, then you can download, but it's no need. So now you can go back. So this is your iPhone. So now you can change the iPhone display, iPhone wallpaper. So let's go to the iOS launcher. Here you will go and here is the option of wallpaper. Click here. Click on cross. Then here is the wallpaper. I like it so much. I will click on it and OK press. Then it will be applied. So let's do back side. So this is the iPhone display. If you like the video, like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. So see, we can see